Join us on this Excel tutorial as we explore 3 efficient methods to fill a sequence of numbers and repeat them seamlessly. Whether you're numbering rows, columns, or creating a pattern, these techniques will simplify the process. Let's dive into the first method using the fill command, followed by the copy cell feature, and then a formulaic approach. It is very easy if we want to enter a sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. We can directly enter 1 and 2 into first 2 columns or rows. Then just need to drag them to fill the following cells. Excel will auto-fill the cells with the increase of value 1. If we want to enter the first number which is not started with 1, and the step value is not 1 neither, how can we create the numbers? Let's see the method using the simplicity of the fill command. Begin by entering the starting number in a cell. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell to reveal the fill handle. Then click and drag to fill the desired range. Excel intelligently detects the pattern, allowing you to effortlessly create a sequence of numbers. If we want to enter a sequence of numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, till 100. First enter the started number 5 into A1 cell. Then click on Home tab. Click on Fill button which is displayed in the right. Click on the arrow on the button. Then select Series. In Series, select Series in as column, type as linear, step value is 5, stop value is 100. Then click OK. You can find that A2 to A20 are filled with numbers 10, 15, 20, till 100. In A1 the start number is 5, in A20 the end number is 100. Between 5 to 100, number is increased with 5. Now, for the second method, let's explore the copy cell feature. This method provides a quick way to copy a single number and paste it as a sequence in a different range. Enter a sequence number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4 in Excel, a column A1, A4. Drag it down and fill the cells in a column, then release the mouse. For example, we drag it to A12 in this case. After releasing the mouse, Autofill Options icon displays at the lower right corner of A12. And A5, A1, 2 are filled with numbers 5 to 12 which are not what we expect. Click on Autofill Options. Check on Copy Cells option. Now A5, A1, 2 cells are filled with 1, 2, 3, 4 repeatedly. Moving on to the third method, let's utilize a formula to achieve the same result. This method gives you precise control over the sequence pattern, making it ideal for complex numbering scenarios. Assuming that you want to get a sequence number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here we can make use of mod function to get this sequence of numbers. Enter number 1 into A1. Then enter equals mod A1, 4, plus 1 foot into A2 cell. Notice that here A1 equals 1 is the start number in the sequence. Use function equals mod A1, 4. We can get A1 itself. So mod A1, 4, plus 1 equals 2. We get 2 as output in A2. Drag A2 to A3. Here the formula is updated to equals mod A2, 4, plus 1, as A2 equals 2 is still smaller than 4. So mod A2, 4, equals 2, in A3 cell, we get 3. Execute the same way for A4. And when we drag A4 to A5, we can find that we get 1 again. That's because use the function equals mod A4, 4. We can get 0 after calculation, so A5 equals mod A4, 4, plus 1 equals 1 again. Fill A6, A1, 2 for example. Then we get 3 groups of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Notes: this way is only valuable for simple number sequence. And the started number should be 1. Exploring these methods for creating sequential and repeating numbers in Excel equips you with versatile tools for efficient data manipulation. Whether you favor the straightforwardness of the fill command, the efficiency of the copy cell feature, or the precision of a formula, these techniques streamline diverse numbering tasks. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel mastery. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this video with others navigating the intricacies of data management in Excel. Your support is appreciated.